Welcome back to my channel, dear viewers. Today I'll be showing you guys how to clone your application. I know a lot of people have been saying that, okay, I want to clone my app so that I can run multiple airdrops and some other things like that. So maybe you've been having issues on how to clone your app or something. For Redmi users, I can show you how to clone your apps without actually downloading any third-party application. So let me take you to how to go about this. You don't need to download any app. Just go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, just to make it easier, just search app. Once you search app, you click on the app with the settings sign. You click on apps. Once you click on apps, you can see them here. You can see the option for dual apps. I'm sorry. You see the option for dual apps. I know you might not be able to see this page because of security, or the operating system security is so tight, so it's not everything you can see on my phone. So you now click dual apps. So after clicking those apps, you click on dual apps. Once you click on dual apps, then here, I'm sure you can see here now. So once you click on dual apps, you see the different applications you have. You see the different applications you have. Let's say, for example, I want to dual my you can just dualize any app. You can clone it into two. Let's assume I want to clone my let's assume I want to clone. I have all these ones that you see here that is showing that I've toggled them on. It means I have two of each of them on my phone. So to clone MetaMask, for example, let me clone my MetaMask. All I need to do is just to click here to clone it. I'll click this sign to toggle on. Click it. You can see it's now shown that I've toggled it on as well here. Then I'll go back to my apps. You can see this is MetaMask here. It said dual apps. So I have MetaMask here. So here, this is one MetaMask on its own. Here also I have another MetaMask here. This is another MetaMask here. So which means I have two. Don't think they are different. Let me move them to the same place so that you can be sure you can see it clearly. You can see I have one here, one down here. There's one here and there's one here. You can see, and I can open the two separately. They are separate. This is first one. It's open. This is the second one. It's open as well. You can see I have two MetaMask open on my phone. So without downloading any application, I have two MetaMask running. I don't know if your phone. I don't think it's every phone that supports dual apps, but Redmi always support dual apps. Be it Redmi Note 8 Pro, 9, and so on. They support dual apps. So I actually always recommend people to go for Redmi phones when you deal mostly with text and some things like that. It's one of the best options for you. So thank you for watching the video. That's just what I want to show you guys. Thank you. I'll be showing you some other things subsequently. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Also click on the bell sign to receive alerts for new videos, and may God bless you all as you share with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye.